This is my 1981 DeLorean. The car was originally sold in Illinois, I believe, but during the 80s it went to California, and in 1989 it came to Denmark. And before me it have had 2 Danish owners, but none of them ever finished the project. If we take a look under the car, you can hopefully see that I have refurbished the rear and also the front brakes and the shocks. The rear brakes have had new pistons in it and complete new discs and brake shoes, both sides of course. Here you see the front brakes, and actually the old discs. The discs were changed by the previous owner. They haven't really run at all. They only had a slight surface rust on them. What you see now is I've given them a light coat of zinc just to prevent corrosion while it sits here in my workshop and I'm working on the car. Brakes and pistons, shoes, everything new. Here's a little more light so you can see the brakes better. New pistons inside, as I mentioned. Refurbished shocks and the new springs from DeLorean.eu. They lower the car back to the intention height, meaning 40 millimeters lower. What do we have else in the front? I have installed the front end recall kit, as you see, in stainless steel. Nylon bushings all over, in all places of the torsion bar. New fans, I've showed them in another video. Inside here you can just see the brake servo. It was all rusty. I still got to get around to the brake master cylinder. It's leaking a bit out of the back, but I haven't got to that yet. Underneath the car you can see, move the light a little bit, cooling pipes, refurbished tank is in again. I have had the tank out and cleaned it. It was full of nasty, rotten, smelly gas. New hoses for the fuel accumulator, they were all rotten, and now I'm at the point that we're getting the last coolant pipe, or one coolant pipe more, out of the way and get the fuel filter out somewhere up there, so I can get the whole fuel line clean again. But you can have a look. As you can see, it's of course a gas flap hood. Here inside the trunk you can see, well, the cleaned out fuel tank. The fuel pump is removed at the moment. I'll show you that in just a while. Well, and, new shocks, by the way, or struts. The door still new struts, and well, the roof isn't the most pretty thing you have ever seen, but the rest of the car actually looks rather nice. New louvre struts also, and oh, just a moment. There we go. The engine. That obviously is a whole chapter for itself. So a lot to work on. Well, you can see I missed the license plate bezel. The previous owner have promised to look for it, but he hasn't found it yet. Some more parts, new struts for the doors, the old fuel accumulator, it's all cleaned out and working fine. Refurbished fuel pump with a new boot and hoses and boot cover. The in-tank filter assembly and well, some more coolant piping that I refurbished, waiting to be installed. So guys, that's really where I'm at right now, so I hope you enjoyed and see you next time.